Okay, so for this next video, what we're going to look at is taxation, what it is, how to set it up, and how tax works in relation to OS Commerce. So first things first, we're back at the main dashboard here. What we're going to do is come down here to location and taxes, and then once we clicked on that, then what we're going to do is click on tax zones. Okay, now by default, the only one that's set there is Florida. That's just as an example. So what we're going to do is, you can set it for whatever country, whatever region it is, but for this example I'm going to use the Irish tax system of VAT. So what we're going to do is just insert a new tax zone, and the zone name will be Ireland. Description is revenue. Okay, so that's the description there. And we just click on save there. So now what we're going to do is come down to tax rates, and then we're going to add a new tax rate. And then under adding a new tax rate, it asks us what's the zone, so we're going to click on Ireland, and then the tax rate is 21.5% currently, and we're going to set that as VAT as a description, and then the priority will set this, and we'll just leave that blank. So we'll click on save there. So now what's going to happen is when we go back to the other products, if we go back into configuration, or rather onto catalog, back into products, if we go back towards where we have that other product from earlier, if we go add a new product and we make this product taxable goods, then what happens is, if I put in the gross price as being 80, or rather the other way around, but when the gross price is 80, it will automatically add the taxes onto it. Now, this is only an advantage if you are dealing with business to business. If you're dealing with consumer, most consumers aren't going to be in a position to reclaim the VAT. If you are dealing business to business, then it is an advantage, because what can happen is they can see, you can see from here what the actual price is ex VAT. Because from there you can work your margins out much easier. So that's how to do the taxation. There are other details you can change in terms of the taxation. For example, there's the countries option. It lists all the different countries available for when people are buying products. So if there's, for example, countries you don't deal with, for example, if you don't ship your packages to Afghanistan, then you can remove that. If you do, then just leave it there. So that's taxation then completed, and I'll see you in the next video.